Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. We recently received one of our customers for assistance in Shelly Cashman Excel 2019 Modules 1-3, SAM Critical Thinking Capstone Project 1C. Our client provided us some file attachments you can see on your screen with full instructions to understand the problem. To complete this assignment, follow steps ahead. Here's a summarized solution process for each problem. Step 1. Setup. Open the Excel file, save it with a new name, and make sure your name is in the documentation sheet. Step 2. Project Status Worksheet. Unfreeze the first column. Insert today's date and format it as short date. Match the title's color, merge, and center it. Format billing rate as currency and italicize the label. Merge and rotate the first column's text, then adjust its size. Step 3. Data formatting. Update column headings and apply a style. Calculate actual dollar amounts, remaining estimates, and percentages with formulas.
Step 4. Totals. Formatting. Use functions to calculate totals and highlight low percentages with conditional formatting. Step 5. Consultants. Worksheet. Copy consultant data, then assign roles based on experience with a formula. Step 6. Chart. Schedule. Change the chart to a clustered bar type and update labels. Use formulas to adjust service start dates and find the earliest and latest dates. Step 7. Finalize. Rename the Schedule tab, Review, Save, Close, and Submit.
If you need our help, we provide two types of solution services. First service is an old solution we already have, but that might prompt as plagiarized when someone tries to submit because it has already been used. Second service is to complete it using your given start file and do it completely original. To avail of our help on any assignment, you can contact us on WhatsApp at +44 7309655268 or log into our website helpandhomework.org and chat with a customer support agent. Thank you for watching this.